Welcome to C# programming class for beginners. So today's topic is C# introduction. So as I told in my first video, I will not cover the C# theoretical topics. I will just cover here the practical topics a lot. So you can search in the internet, you can read the books for many more theoretical topics. So C# is a general purpose language. We can develop multiple applications along with C# programming language, and C# is object oriented programming language. So object oriented is another topic. It's an advanced topic. I will come up with object oriented with C# programming class. Just follow my channel. So C# is developed by Microsoft. The team that developed the C#, the team leader was Anders Hellsberg and his team. They were developing the .NET framework, and during the development of .NET framework, they developed the C# programming language. So as you see, the C# write like C in that hash symbol, but it pronounced like C#. So the application that we can develop by C# is our mobile applications, desktop applications, web applications, application for web servers, for websites. We can also develop games, we can develop database applications, and many more. That is enough for this video. See you in next video.